Assalamu alaikum. My name is Usman Chaudhary and in this video I am going to show you how to prepare models for 3D printing. One of my friend who want to make a copy of this part by using 3D printer sent me this picture and wants me to make a tutorial for him. So let's start. Click on file and then select new. Now double click on part. The first thing for such difficult parts you need to do is that take a picture of that part and then in the left side of SolidWorks click on front plane and then select sketch. In the search bar write picture, select sketch picture. Now open that picture in SolidWorks. I don't have the exact dimensions for this part. I will try to give you an idea for such parts. So click on this OK button to begin. Now select line and draw according to the sketch. I am making it very rough, but when you will make the sketch from pictures, be careful. Click OK button. Now draw circles, circle 1 and then circle 2. Now press OK button and then right click on the picture and delete it. Now in the features tab select extruded bow space command and extrude it according to the design. For this time but before extruding it, another thing, add the dimensions to your sketch. For this, in the sketch tab select smart dimensions or press and hold right click and then drag your mouse upward and select smart dimensions. As I don't have the dimensions for this part, so just for reference I am adding this dimension 50 millimeter. Now press OK button. Now in the features tab click extruded bow space command. As I don't have the extrusion measurement for this part, so for this time I am extruding it only 40 millimeters. Now I am going to add this cut. So for that, for this cut, again open the SolidWorks model. Now click on this face, not actually this face. and then select sketch. Now again open picture, sketch picture, and then select that picture. Rotate it like this. Now this part is now clear. From this angle you can't see your model. So now scale down the picture. Press OK button, click on this face or click on this icon normal too. Once again press it. Now double click on the picture and scale down. Now press OK button. Click on right click on the extruded boss and select hide. Now draw a sketch for both of these cuts one by one. As this line is curved, so select curve. Again select line. Select curve. Now line. Select straight slot. Now press OK button. Again right click on extruded boss and then show. Right click on the picture and delete it. But before making extruded cut, rearrange the sketch according to the model. Select these lines. Now click on move entities. Now click anywhere in the sketch. Press OK button. Click and drag this corner. When you will add your dimensions, the sketch will be perfect. Now for this, drag some little bit like this for slot, drag it upward, select these entities and then move, press OK button. Now use extruded cut command. As the extrusion was 40 millimeter and the base should be 5 millimeters, so write 35 here and press OK button. Here you can see the part is roughly ready. For now, these cuts, again click on this face and select sketch, select polygon, the quantity of polygon, and rest of the options. Add the dimensions, eight millimeters, press OK button. Now press escape button, press and hold Ctrl key and then select this circle and then this circle. Select make equal. Now again draw a circle. In the features tab, click on extruded cut. Select 15 millimeters, only 5 millimeters. Press OK button. Make these cuts by using same process. Now as you can see, this side is smaller than this side. So again click on this face and then select sketch, make normal to, draw a sketch like this. Press OK button and then extruded cut. 15 millimeter, 25, 20 I think will be perfect. So press OK button. Now as you can see, Make rest of these cuts and rest of the part according to design. Thanks for watching and sparing time. Please subscribe to my channel for more. If you want me to make tutorials for you, please contact me on Facebook. My Facebook ID is written in the description of this video.